Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. Today, yeah, I said today. Yeah, we got the fuel rail, about to install my fuel rail. I ordered my starter, should be here by next week. So, if you're watching this video, just stay tuned because you're gonna see when I get the starter and all that. I'm not gonna draw the videos out too long. I said before, I just wanna get this thing running, just a little build up video to where it starts running, but not too much. So y'all gonna get about probably 3 videos before the car start running. So the next video you should see all the installation to get the car started, and then the video after that you're gonna see when because I still haven't gotten my half shaft yet. I don't know, I'm just waiting on the half shaft too, but that's not ordered yet. But the next video you should have that. The car should be running like yeah. So these are some temper installations for now. My boy gave me this, just handed it to me like just get the car running, and then I'm gonna gradually start upgrading. I say updated, upgrading my parts. So fuel rail is gonna be changed. Y'all know I love AEM, so that's gonna be changed. All that's gonna be changed. So today I'm just gonna get this done, you know, get the fuel system done. The starter about to come in, as I said, and then that's that. Yes, sir. So yeah, all we need is a 10 mil and a 17 for the filter, the fuel filter right there. So I'm gonna just get this thing running. I'm gonna put y'all on a GoPro, and we gonna start this instant removal and installation. Alright, so let me just grab this off real quick. And I'm gonna switch this out anyway, so I'm gonna just take it off. Yeah, this one's rusted. This one came with the engine, so I'm gonna just take this off. It is hot. I need to put some fan or something. Need to get an AC for the garage or something, boy. Damn, over here so hot, brother. I'm gonna keep that regulator though, but bam. Get this off real quick. Hope y'all get, oh no. I don't like that. Where did it go? Golly. I hate when this shit happens. This is like losing a 10 mil. And it's a 10 mil nut too. I don't know what's wrong with these 10 mils, man. Take my time under this one. Use my hands on this one, cause what? You know, I think I got plenty, but I hate losing these 10 mil nuts, bro. Alright. Got this one. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say. I need to find that 10 mil bolt though. Damn. These injectors. Oh, I might have to change these soon. Man. Alright, I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna continue with the install. You hear me? Switched over these injectors. And about to throw these back on now. That washer is already on there. Don't tell me this won't fit. So, oh my gosh, the giraffe neck won't fit this fuel rail. Another delay. That's what happens, man. That's what happens when you're working on cars, man. Another delay. All right. Guess I'm gonna just have to pause here. Change this damn intake manifold. I didn't plan on doing that, but guess I gotta do it. Hot dang it. Alright. So as y'all saw in the previous clip, I came to a halt. Of this damn, well, this ain't the part that I need, but it's definitely one of them that I was holding off on. But the part that I really need, which is my intake manifold, is supposed to be here in a few days, but just gonna go ahead and show y'all what's going on. Box this real quick. Nice packaging. I like it. Yes, sir. My starter. Ooh, that packaging is beautiful. Golly, I need to keep this box. Yes, sir. Got the starter right here. Fresh, clean starter. Yes, sir. Hope it's the right one. I hope it's the right one. I can't take it. Gotta be the right one, man. It just gotta be. Looks good to me. Yes, sir. What's this? I don't know what this is. Okay. A little bit of information. Pass. That's good. I didn't look at anything else, but I see pass here. That means good. Pass. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm just waiting on my damn intake manifold. Yeah, man. So this is a few days after the clip that you last saw, where I ran into that unfortunate issue, so had to stop and order some parts. Wasn't planning on doing that yet, but I just had to. So they came in. Oh my gosh, this is packaged. Golly. So, see what's going on. Legit first time opening the box. I could reuse some of this stuff. Show y'all real quick, and then I don't think I'm gonna film me getting it together with throttle body, taking stuff off the other manifold. I'm gonna just do that off camera because it's gonna take a while. And then I'm gonna hit y'all back and show y'all what's going on. And y'all, quick peek on the manifold. It is clean. I can't lie, it is clean. It is a clean manifold. Yeah, I can't lie to you. It's clean. So I kind of get carried away. I was like switching out IAC valve, all of that stuff on the new. This is the B20B intake manifold. Ran into some issues, so I had to use my stock D series injectors. Did some research and they say they can work. I didn't feel me putting in the intake because it took me some time because I was switching around some stuff, doing a bunch of stuff. I'm pretty much wired up. There are a few wires that I don't know where they go. So I'm gonna get those situated. But you know what? Stay tuned for the next video because the next video is definitely gonna be the first start. I was trying to get that done today, but whew. Now I ran into another issue with my throttle cable, so I may have to switch that out. I might have to do some research again because this doesn't fit. So I'm gonna see which throttle cable I need to do. If y'all have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. But this is the car right now, man. Getting ready to start. So close out the video here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, man. And we out. Ah! Wait. Stay tuned for the startup, man. Make sure y'all come back.